We've all been there, juggling 5 different tools just to lay out a single project. Most rulers are flimsy, inaccurate, or just boring. But this is the UnioArc. It's a 7-in-1 folding ruler, CNC machined from grade 5 titanium. It's not just a tool, it's an engineering marvel designed to stay in your pocket for a lifetime. What sets the UnioArc apart is the versatility. You've got dual protractors for perfect angles and specialized sliders for measuring length, depth, thickness, and even area. Whether you're working in inches, centimeters, or millimeters, the transition is seamless. And for the artists out there, the circle drawing feature is incredibly smooth. No more poking holes in your paper with a compass. Because it's GR5 titanium, it's virtually indestructible. No rust, no wear on the markings, and zero maintenance. It's got that tactile, high-end feel that only CNC machined gear can provide. It's the kind of precision that makes you want to measure twice just for the fun of it. But once your measurements are perfect and your lines are drawn, you need a way to execute that vision with the same level of tech. That brings us to our next powerhouse.
SOUSIC S02. If you're still using a standard hobby knife, you're living in the past. This is an auto-tuning wireless ultrasonic cutter. It uses 40 kilohertz of ultrasonic precision to vibrate the blade 40,000 times per second. The result? It doesn't just cut, it glides through materials like a hot wire through butter. The SO2 is packed with 45 watts of power, but it's completely wireless. The OLED display gives you real-time feedback, and the internal tech auto-tunes the frequency based on the material resistance. You get 7 different blade types for everything from intricate stencil work to heavy-duty industrial cuts. And when you're done, everything snaps into this sleek magnetic storage case. Precision requires visibility, so they've built in a high-intensity LED light right at the tip. Whether you're working on 3D prints, leather, or carbon fiber, you can see exactly where that blade is headed. It's ergonomic, balanced, and because it's ultrasonic, you don't need to apply massive pressure, which means more control and less fatigue.
The UnioArc for the perfect layout, and the SOUSIC S02 for the perfect execution. This is the ultimate maker's kit for 2026. If you want to grab these at the Kickstarter early bird prices, I've put my Kick Booster links in the description below. Hit those links, support these creators, and I'll see you in the next one.